How to get tab like this on Android. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you no make any mistake. After you open your phone, go to your browser, search for menu icon png, and come to this images section. You see different images for your menu. Long place your hand on the one that you want to use and tap on this download button to download it. So after you download your image, close your browser, go to your Play Store and search for X Recorder. As you can see, here is the app X Recorder. Open the app. So make sure just to look at the app well and install the app. After you open the app like this, it will give you interface of the app like this. So come to this settings icon, scroll to down, go to customize floating ball, this one. So for the first time, it will give you an interface like this. All you have to do, tap on this customize button, tap on this pencil icon, tap on this change. Now it will allow you to see all your images of your phone. So now go and select the image that you want to use for your tab. So for me, let's say I want to use this one. After you select your image, you can use your hand to just customize it, zoom it and out. Tap on this save button. So now you save your image. You can increase the size of the image. As you can see now, you can increase the opacity of the image. After you finish setting up, all you have to do, close your screen recorder. As you can see now, here is my tab. If you want to start recording, swipe off your phone like this and tap on this section, this record icon. As you can see, this record icon, tap on it, it will start recording using this. As you can see, this tab on your phone. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and ask question in the comment. Thank you for watching.